are right now in Ilocos Sur but in an unlikely place. Mostly, kala natin ang Ilocos Sur ay mainit. Pero nandito tayo ngayon sa town ng Cervantes, Ilocos Sur, where we're about 1,000 meter above sea level. And ang weather natin ngayon ay napakalamig. So right now, we're expecting to arrive about 70 rigs and about 250 campers dito sa Cervantes, Ilocos Sur.
May problema.
Guess what? Those who made onto Santa's nice list are in for something special here in Mototesos Christmas Campout 2025 here at Cervantes, Ilocos Sur.
We're very glad na meron ka tayong nahanap na ganito kagandang place dito sa area ng Ilocos Sur. Thanks to our friend, Vice Governor Ryan Singson, sa pagsabi sa amin na meron nakatagong lugar na ganito kaganda.
Welcome to Cervantes, Ilocos Sur. Malaking bagay po at karangalan po namin na nandito kayo ngayon dahil alam ko po na sa isang post or sa isang kwento nyo, mapopromote na po ang aming magandang bayan ng Cervantes.
It's giving season, marami tayong pa-prizes, madami tayong ganap, madami tayong sponsors, and we're really grateful sa mga generous sponsors natin.
Actually, I just want to share lang. Our campers are like families. They even brought their pets and kids para ma-enjoy yung view, yung weather, the get-together itself, and to feel the Christmas spirit, di ba?
Yeah.
Kids like this stuff when it's up to their knees. Time seems to freeze. The smell of what's cooking, a chill in the air. There's wood in the fireplace and music in the air.
Ang advocacy namin is to promote the tourism ng Pilipinas, to share and inspire people like you na to do more and spread the word na maganda ang Pilipinas. Napakaganda ng Philippines na i-share natin and ipakita natin sa lahat. Na let's be proud, at least that's what we can do. Let's be proud of our country and share the tourism. Hopefully na ma-encourage natin not only kababayan natin but also yung mga foreign na to come to the
The
Philippines.
best time of the year. Presents are wrapped up and loved ones are near. Stockings are hung with the names we hold dear. I'm so glad you're here. The babies are sleeping so deep and so sound.
Like any other Mototesto event, it's a family event na kasama ang buong family, kids, pets, grandparents, friends, and of course, mga loved ones natin.
Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. It's the best time of